Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make dry strawberries. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries for optimal flavor. Wash them well and remove the green caps. Uniformly slice each strawberry into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. This consistent thickness ensures even drying, which is crucial for a perfect result. Preparing them properly sets the stage for delicious dried fruit. Now, arrange your prepared strawberry slices in a single layer on your dehydrator trays. Make sure no pieces overlap. This is vital for good air circulation and even drying. Set your dehydrator to a temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This moderate heat helps preserve the strawberry's vibrant color and natural sweetness. The drying process typically takes between 6 and 12 hours. Check your strawberries periodically, perhaps every 2 or 3 hours. Rotating the trays helps ensure all slices dry evenly. The strawberries are ready when they feel leathery and pliable, with no sticky or moist spots. They should bend without breaking, indicating they are perfectly dried. Once completely cool, transfer your delicious dried strawberries to an airtight container. Store them in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard. This proper storage helps maintain their quality and extends their shelf life. Enjoy your homemade dried strawberries as a healthy snack, in trail mix, or as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal for several months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.